Hello everyone. Today it snowed and Ammar and Lulu are going to have some fun and play in the snow. Welcome to Ammar's channel. Wow, look at the blanket of snow. Let's go and have some fun. It is cold today. What's this? Ammar seems to have found some footprints. Let's follow them and see where it leads us to. We got the sled in hand, and now we're gonna ride it. Lulu is going first. Now it's Ammar's turn. Whoa! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoops! One more time! Ammar and Lulu wanna build a snowman? Rolling the snowballs in their hands. They made the base of the snowman. Stacking the snowman together. The snowman's almost done. Now let's give it an eyes and a nose and a mouth. Bye-bye everyone. It's time to go inside and get warm. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Ammar's channel.